respected principal, teachers, and my friend, very good morning to all of you. We all have gathered here to celebrate World Literacy Day, and I would like to speak some words on World Literacy Day. Literacy is the most basic currency of the knowledge economy. Literacy is a bridge from misery to hope. Literacy is the one of the greatest gifts a person could receive. Respected audience, World Literacy Day is celebrated on 8th September every year. It makes the international celebration and awareness campaign on literacy. In 1964, this day was declared as a holiday by United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO. UNESCO, with the help of various literacy programs, aims to create a literate world and promote a literacy for all. UNESCO has stated the importance of literacy. It states that it is a human right, a tool of personal empowerment, and a means for social and human development. Our educational opportunities depend on literacy. Literacy is at the heart of basic education for all. It is also important to all eradicate poverty, to reduce child mortality, to curb population growth, etc. These are some of the good reasons why literacy is at core of education for all. The main purpose of celebrating this World Literacy Day is to encourage awareness among people about literacy so that everyone knows about their individual and social rights. It is as important as food to live. UNESCO decided to celebrate this day with a goal to remove various social problems, including poverty, gender inequality, uncontrollable population growth, etc. So that I would request you all to celebrate this day with a positive spirit. You can celebrate this day by donating a book, by visiting a library, by teaching an unfortunate child, etc. Lastly, I would like you all to stand up and take a pledge on this Literacy Day. We learn, we teach, we inspire to make our future full of knowledge and success. Thanks for all to listening me patiently.